Hello, today I will tell you about the best top background check service. After testing many programs in this category, I found the best option that I like. I have been using it for 8 years now. In this short video, I will reveal to you 3 very useful secrets that make it truly the best in the top background checks category. It's about Checkmate. I will leave the link to the official website under this video. Look carefully at the screen so as not to miss the most important thing.
Instant Checkmate integrates a huge range of publicly available data and provides relatively accurate results. The user interface can be annoying, but the search tool is good enough. Instant Checkmate is a people search engine that collects data from public records. The service is easy to use and offers a wide range of information, including contact and criminal records. The results are not instantaneous, and the service offers you a lot of questions and warnings before submitting the report, which can be annoying.
Instant Checkmate only offers monthly subscriptions with unlimited reports.
Instant Checkmate only offers an unlimited reporting subscription. 1 month costs $34.78, or you can subscribe for 3 months for $27.82 per month. You can just buy 1 report for 1 person. Plus, the $1 5-day trial is apparently only offered to those consumers who stay too long on the checkout page. Instant Checkmate wants to know if you are going to give up a fork worth more than $25 before offering you a discount. To participate in reports, your credit card or PayPal account will be automatically billed at the end of each agreed period. For example, if you subscribe to a 3-month subscription, after the first 3 months, you will automatically be billed an additional $83.47 for the next 3 months.
After you go through the paid access and run the report, you can go to the premium reports. Premium reports should contain more information, although you cannot know if you will have it until you buy it. Either way, you pay $19.99 for each premium report you want to view.
You can also buy the PDF version of the report for $2.99. While these PDFs are a more convenient way to keep track of records, the average user can simply take a screenshot. You can also search for someone by their phone number. These search options are separate from the unlimited standard reporting package. You can get unlimited phone reports per month for $4.99. Instant Checkmate also previously offered a separate reverse lookup for an email address. However, it looks like this is now only available as part of a standard subscription.
Instant Checkmate lets you search for someone by name, city, and state only. There is also a reverse phone lookup feature, although it's quite difficult to find it on the Instant Checkmate website.
When you run a research, you are presented with a list of potential matches, and you can get a detailed report for anyone. The service only checks publicly available records, so there is no information through Instant Checkmate that cannot be obtained elsewhere. However, the platform is widely networked and includes detailed information on ownership, vehicle addresses, family members, marriages, and bankruptcies in its reports. The tool also will tell you if the person you're looking for is a registered sex offender, has a firearm license, or has a criminal case, arrests, or traffic records.
It is important to note that Instant Checkmate does not comply with the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Therefore, you cannot legally use this service for background checks when applying for a job or hiring.
Using Instant Checkmate was not nearly as easy as I would have liked. Starting your search is easy, just enter the information you know about the topic in the search bar on the company's homepage. You will be presented with several pop-ups asking you for details about the person you are looking for in order to refine the results. And Instant Checkmate requires you to click on a large number of pop-ups before you can access the report. However, there are more pop-ups after these pop-ups. They alert you to graphical details that you might find in the Instant Checkmate report, and they are too strong and annoying. It would be fine if there was only 1 warning, but we encountered more than 5 of these pop-ups before we could eventually view the report.
Things get better when you finally get the report. I found that the information I received was largely accurate, although there were occasional inaccuracies regarding past addresses and licenses. A criminal record was given a probability score, which was a good reminder that instant checkmate does not guarantee correctness.
Instant Checkmate offers phone and email support from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Monday through Friday. If you have problems signing up for a service or finding a report, you can visit the online help center for training videos and answers to frequently asked questions. What I like was that you can easily cancel your Instant Checkmate subscription at any time. It's also worth noting that Instant Checkmate makes it easy to remove itself from its search database. Most other search tools hide this option, but it's right in the footer on the Instant Checkmate site. Typically, your data will be deleted within 2 days after you submit your opt-out request.
Instant Checkmate has an exceptional site user interface. It is beautiful, comfortable, and reliable. I knew exactly where to click at every step of the process. My favorite feature is the ability to search for a person by their email address or phone number. This is important for people who search the people they meet in dating apps or classified sites.
For meeting in real life, enter the person's phone number in Instant Checkmate to find out their real name and criminal record. There is no reliable method, but it is another step that most cheaters are not ready for. Curriculum vitae web services like Instant Checkmate are not CRA accredited. This means that they cannot be legally used for some purposes, such as hiring employees or checking tenants. Instant Checkmate is transparent in this regard. It forces users to check a box that says they will not use background verification information to make hiring or renting decisions. In addition, Instant Checkmate data verification reports include social media accounts. These can provide a lot of information to make sure you find the right person. Plus, the $1 5-day trial is apparently only offered to those consumers who stay too long on the checkout page. Instant Checkmate wants to know if you're going to give up a fork worth more than $25 before offering you a discount.
The Instant Checkmate website is secured by Norton Semantic, and all payment information is transmitted using 256-bit encryption. Because all of the data on the site is accessible through public archives, relatively little attention has been paid to securing reports.
Instant Checkmate is one of the most reliable people search tools available. However, it is slightly more expensive compared to such competitors. US search costs only $19.86 per month for unlimited reports. Instant Checkmate is an affordable search engine that provides relatively accurate information. One of the best things about this service is that you get a huge range of data when compared to similar search tools. Doing a search with Instant Checkmate can be frustrating, as you have to go through over a dozen pop-ups before you can see the final report. However, if you can overlook this flaw, Instant Checkmate is relatively easy to use.
Thanks for watching this video. Check out the page for more videos.